Hey everyone, Random Randy here. This is going to be kind of a little vloggy catch-up video thing because with the holiday season and all of my finals and whatnot for class, I just haven't had time to knit and crochet very much. And I'm kind of going to catch you guys up on what all has been going on and the insanity that is my life right now, because the last video I posted I made over a month ago now. So yeah, gonna give you what's up. So this is my current desk location, and it's actually going to be moving as soon as I'm done making this video. But I figured I would give you guys a little walkthrough of the house that I am currently living at. I have moved in with my boyfriend, and the boys are currently with me. They're about a 55-45 split between Adam and I. They're with me, I think, 3 or 4 more days a month than they're with him, so that is what it is, but you know, whatever. So I'm gonna turn this around, and there's lots of house noises. Like, I've got laundry running right now because I'm an idiot and just started it a few minutes ago. And yeah, the boys are running around, so if kid noises bother you, well, tough tatas. So this is part of the master bathroom. It has a huge tub, which is amazing. This is the current setup for my dresser and things stacked to the ceiling for work stuff. Desk, like I said, current location. It's actually going to be moving as soon as I'm done filming. And we moved stuff in like a month ago now, and I'm still honestly not even completely unpacked. Here's a box that's going to be going out soon. This is the crochet carousel package, and I was the last person who got it, so this is going to be on its way to Rose Likes Crochet, hopefully later this week. There is more shelves and a mirror. And this is the dining area and currently my work area, as you can tell by the sewing machine and kids' toys all over the place. Kind of a little reading nook once I get the laundry cleared out of there. There is a wood stove here. We haven't used it yet. Apparently the previous owners of the house never used the wood stove, so I don't know if the pipe is clear, and we don't really want to test it unless somebody's going to be here to watch it and clear it in case it's not.
Should we cut some magnets?
There's the table. No, you can't cut magnets. You're going to break the scissors. Please stop.
Nope.
Hey, Killian. Can you say hi, YouTube?
Hi, YouTube.
And as you can see, like I was just telling Amber from Aah Crochet, Killian is a lefty, but he likes to draw all over himself with marker because Adam, my ex-husband, and my boyfriend, and a lot of the guys we hang around with have tattoos, so he gives himself tattoos frequently. And that is Hunter. He is getting very big, and as you can see, he is Minecraft obsessed.
What else? Hey, I'm not Minecraft obsessed.
Okay, this is the island that is kind of between the dining area and the kitchen, and as you can see, I still have boxes of crap I haven't unloaded yet. And this is my current ironing station, which is really sad, but we'll get that fixed eventually. This is the man cave that I've kind of invaded somewhat. There's a massage table. I am studying massage therapy and will be certified in 2020. TV, my excessive quantities of DVDs, computer, as you can see, my computer, because there's like yarn stuff everywhere, and a kitty mouse pad. There's art on the walls, and we have a really nice view from here of the mountains. You can't see it from the house, but on your drive up to the house, you can see it because we are farther up. Here's the Christmas tree. It will be coming down later. Not today, but it will be coming down tomorrow.
Whoa!
Because right now it is the 31st. Hunter, please don't play with the tree. Thank you. Tree, stockings, ski gear. Because the boyfriend skis. This is the laundry room, such as it is. This is is the other bathroom that the kids mostly use. And Killian is very loud. This room is going to be a combination kid den and workspace for me. So the kids have a TV in here and some of their toys. And this corner over here is where my desk and yarn shelves are going to be moving, so that when they're not here with me, I will have a space that is removed from the rest of the house noise to record and whatnot. And it has a decent sized closet. Cool, you made a toy, good job. And it has a decent sized closet that will become better storage for yarn and fabric and whatnot. And this is the boys' room that, as you can tell, is very lived in, covered in stuff, and they never make their beds, and I don't bother until just before bedtime, because if I do, they totally destroy it. I put this bunk bed together for them over the holiday season, and this is my grandmother's rocking chair. I wish that I had a picture of her holding Killian in it, but she actually only got to see him once. I do have a picture of her holding Hunter in it, and my grandmother passed away several years ago now, my dad's mom. These are kid books and toys, more kid books, storage that's in progress, and more books. And this is actually where my craft books are currently living. But they'll probably be getting moved. Oh, and my Vampire the Masquerade books and Dungeons and Dragons manuals and all that fun stuff, because Randy's one of those people. And if you didn't know, well, now you do. But there's a little yard, and there's actually an apple tree in it that will need some TLC once spring hits. A little fire pit out back. And yeah, that is pretty much it. It's a decent sized house, and now that we don't have roommates anymore, it's a little more spacious, so the boys kind of have more space to do their own thing.
What?
And be kids and not have to never speak. Joys of moving in with people who've never had kids before. But yeah, kids are super duper loud, especially when you haven't been with them as they've gradually increased in volume from infancy. I remember how rattling and startling it was when Hunter was a newborn, and I had never been around babies before. I could not believe how ungodly loud such a tiny, tiny creature can be. It's really, really disturbing. Very unsettling when you're not used to it. And always without any warning, just 0 volume to 5,000 volume with no warning whatsoever. So aside from that and all of the... Shh! Be nice!
I can like all the portals.
Great, be nice.
I need all the portals.
So I'm gonna stand here next to the tree and be festive for a minute. As you can see, like, I haven't even taken a shower yet this morning because I'm getting ready to move a bunch of stuff around and I'm gonna get all sweaty and gross, so why would I bother doing that until I'm done with it? Anyway, aside from all of that stuff, I am going to school. I've been doing really well in all of my classes. I am scheduled. I have 2 spots open Tuesday through Friday every week for massage. So if you're in the Tacoma area, look up Alexander School of Natural Therapeutics and you can get a 50-minute massage treatment from me for cheaper than it would cost to get it done by somebody who's already licensed. We do have to get a certain number of clinic hours in, and I'm hoping that I can get them all done by April, because then that'll leave my weekends and whatnot open for going to the track with my boyfriend for the course of the spring and summer. Yeah. So life is insane, as always, but things are improving. I'm in a much better place physically and mentally than I was just a few months ago, and especially a year ago. I can't believe I've been with this guy for almost a year already. We started seeing each other, our first date was March 1st last year. So it's insane. It's crazy. And my kids are crazy. And they make me crazy. But that's fine because I love them. So by the time you guys see this, hopefully it won't be too terribly late in the day. But I just wanted to say, because it's the last day I'm going to get to say it, I've had a few people ask me what my plans are for the future and especially for the year coming up. And I have said to them with a grin and a chuckle, well, I don't know, man. I don't have 20/20 vision. And today's the last day of 2019, so it's the last time I can really say that. Well, I mean, my eyesight is horrible, so I'll never have 20/20 vision, but that's beside the point. Puns are important. They make life worth living. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching, and if you catch this before the end of the day on the 31st, all of the currently made bags in my shop that are not the print on demand ones, which you'll know those, they have my Weight Crochet Slay logo on them. But you can also get that stuff through my Etsy shop. All of my pre-made bags are 15, maybe more % off. Is it horrible that I don't even know for sure how much? Either way, all of the bags that are already in my shop are on sale through the end of the day today. So if you want to grab one or two, that'll give me more funds to go buy more fabric. Not that I need more fabric, but it will encourage me to use some of the fabric I already have to make more bags. And I do have a few new styles of pouches and whatnot that I am working on that I will be posting in the next week or two. So thanks again, everybody, for watching. Thank you to all of my supporters over on patreon.com/randomrandy. And oh my goodness, I need to get you guys something new to go up in there because with the insanity of the last few months, aside from videos, I have not done jack for Patreon and I feel so freaking bad about it. So yeah, thanks for hanging in there, guys, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.